Hello children. So today first of all I will give you the first term syllabus, then we will start with the new chapter. So open your book everyone. The content page, that is this one. This, can you see this? This. The first chapter is the squirrel that we have finished. Second chapter, the little red hen, we have also finished this. Third chapter we don't have. Then directly fourth chapter, Satya's watch out, we have already finished off with this. And the next chapter is the froggies at school. And the last chapter is the stone soup. So these are the 1, 2, 4, 5 and 7. These are the chapters which will be coming in the first term syllabus. The squirrel, the little red hen, Satya's watch out, froggies at school and the stone soup. And with this workbook also we have this, the little red hen and the Satya's watch out, that is the penguin, we have done it. So when I will start with the workbook, I will give you from the workbook that what all chapters are coming from the workbook. So this is from the course book, the main course book. These are the chapters 1, 2, 4, 5 and 7. So today we will start with the new lesson, that is the froggies at the school. Take out lesson number 6 or 7 something. Sorry. Lesson number 5, that is froggies at the school. Now again there is one activity given. This frog wants to reach his friend. Some leaves in the pond have the words related to frogs on them. Color the correct leaves to show him the way. Now here some words are given and here are 2 frogs you can see. One is the small one and one is the bigger one. So what we have to do is he has to reach to the bigger one. The smaller one has to reach to the bigger one. So on which leaf he will be jumping and he will be reaching to him. So we have to color it. The correct leaf we have to color it. Now you can see it here that walk. Frogs don't walk. Frogs don't have beak. Frog doesn't meow. Frog doesn't bark. Cub is a what? The lion's children are known as cub. The little one of lion is known as cub. Calf is also not for frog. So directly this small frog will go on this leaf, that is croak, a sound which the frog makes, that is called as the croak. He will jump on this, then he will hop. Jumping in the in frog's language is known as hop. We don't call them that they are jumping, they are hopping because they jump like this to this directly. So croak, hop and the tadpole. Tadpole is what? When they hatch and they come out, that small frog is known as the tadpole. So he will jump on this and directly he will reach to the bigger frog. So what is the correct one? Correct is these 3 leaves. So you have to color any color, you can use it and you can any color you can take and you can color only these 3 leaves. He will jump from this one, from this one, from this one and directly he will reach to his destination, that is to the bigger frog. So this activity is done over here. Now we will start with the poem. Today I will read the poem first of all. 20 froggies went to the school, down beside a rushy pool. 20 little coats of green, 20 vests all white and clean. 20 froggies went to the school, down beside a rushy pool. 20 little coats of green, 20 waist of waste all white and clean. We must be in time and time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Again I am repeating this. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Master Froggy gave the strand, called the classes in their turn, taught them how to nobly strive, likewise how to leap and dive. Again I am repeating this. Master Froggy grave and strand, called the classes in their turn, taught them how to nobly strive, likewise how to leap and dive. So this is a small story about the frogs, how they go to the school. So the explanation I will give you in the next video. In this video I have given you the first term syllabus, and please note that syllabus into your books or anywhere in the copy wherever you want to note it down. And then today we have done page number 46, the first activity, and I have told you the poem. The explanation part I will give you in the next video. Now children, one thing, that this first 8 lines you have to, of every poem you have to learn it. First 8 lines of every poem you have to learn it. As in the squirrel also I have told you, the squirrel, that also I have told you that you have to learn it. In the froggies also you have to learn the first 8 poems of the first 8 lines of the poem of the squirrel and the froggies also. So till then.